Hello guys, this is Hiren here. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to make $30,000 on YouTube without making any videos. This is going to be a very important video guys. So please make sure that you watch till the end. You don't want to miss out on this trend. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure that you subscribe, because I'll be uploading videos on a daily basis on how to make money online, and you don't want to miss out on that. Let's jump straight into this video. So how are we going to make YouTube videos without actually recording them or showing your face? This can be even done with a new channel or a small channel. So here is an example of a channel that has only about 17,300 subscribers, and they uploaded this video game map size comparison video, which got 5.5 million views. And you can see another channel over here. They have the same kind of a video, which is a game map size comparison video, which was uploaded on October 5th 2019, and it's got around 3.9 million views. These game map size comparison videos can be made easily in under 10 minutes, and all the game maps can be found on Google. I'm going to show you guys how to do it, and you can see that this channel has around 17,300 subscribers, and this video got 5.5 million views. Okay, let me show you how much this video made. So they got around 5.5 million views divided by 1,000, and let's say they got paid $3 per 1,000 views. Boom, that's $16,500 for a video that can be made under 10 minutes. Okay, so to make these videos, we are going to be using a software called Animoto. This software is actually free, but there is a paid version if you want to get videos without watermark. But my recommendation is to not go for the paid version until you start making money. I think it costs around $20. Let me show you the pricings. You can see $8 for a personal, and then there is a professional one for $22. But to grow your business right now, I would recommend that once you start earning some money from your videos, you can go for a professional one. Right now, all you need to do is use the free one. Let me show you how it can be done. Okay, let's click on create, and there are tons and tons of different templates that you can go and use for the video, but we are going to be using the one called memory box. So for this map comparison, this one I found the best, and you can choose some other if you want, but I think that right now I'm going to be using the memory box. Click on create video. So it's going to take a few seconds. What you want to do here is click right here, enter the tags. Let's say for example we are creating video game map size comparison. So let's put in video game, and the next thing is to put in a subtitle, best video games. This is just an example, so guys, you can check how this works. So I'll go to Google and look for exam maps, like I'm searching for Fortnite maps, and you can see that there are lots of images of the map of the game, and here you can find tons and tons of map. Images are usually not copyrighted, because the owner of these images are video games, so they are not going to copyright strike videos. But make sure that you check everything out before you use the videos, as you do not want to get copyright strikes on your YouTube video. So research before using them. You can use images that have no copyright, because these maps belongs to video games. Video game companies love their content, so because they're going to be getting free promotions. Probably 99% of the time you are going to not have any copyright issues, but make sure you still check everything out on your own and do your research before doing anything. So I'm going to upload the map images that I've downloaded. Next is to click right here on the captions and enter names of the map. So let's say Fortnite map. I don't even know what the game is, but let's say it's a Fortnite map, and you can put the size, the map, so all the information, what size the map is. You can go again on Google and put in what the map sizes are. I'm putting random numbers. It's work. So let's say this one is a Minecraft. Again, I'm putting some random numbers. Let's click on caption for this one again. Say this size is I'm going to give another example of Minecraft. We're going to put different sizes, so you want to do this for every single game. So when you can find, say, let's say 20 games, you can create a video, and this would be a really good map of the world. So let's say I don't even know world, so what the world what is going to do the next. So we can go preview this video. Let's preview this video. Let's see how this video looks like. So it's going to, they're playing on the example. You can see that the music in the background, I'm going to mute it for now. You can see that it looks very nice, high resolution once you download your video, and you can upload it to your YouTube channel. You don't want to make it a fast video, so I'll put in some delay. I'll put in a delay and then save it, and I'm going to make it much slower, and see, the viewers are going to enjoy the video and they can read, because you don't want to make the video very fast that people can't view the maps. So you can see background, all the maps created for, you can create for every single game. Let's say Fortnite or Minecraft or and if you, it's not only about game maps. You can make different you can come up with different ideas on making top 10 say top 10 tallest buildings or top 10 bridges, whatever comes to mind. Try to be creative. Don't only make game apps, because already someone has been, already there are some people who have made game To download, click on produce. You can see right here name of the project, and then you can, let's say we put in video game maps, and you can put in a description and select the quality of video. I'm going to be selecting the highest available and continue. Here you can see in the preview the video is getting finalized, and the download options, you can even directly download it to your YouTube channel. Or you can download it and re-upload it. You can see that this is a really great software, and you can try this method out. There are many millions and millions of views these kinds of videos are getting. You can see even on this video on the suggestions, the recommendation part, you can get some ideas on different kind of videos that can be made, and you can see that they're getting millions and millions of views. A lot of you guys are going to ask me, but I have a fresh new channel, I have 0 subscribers, how can I promote my videos, how can I get more views on my YouTube channel? So what I'm going to recommend is, I have done this in the past, so I know it works. You can go on Reddit and you can go and promote your videos in the similar niche. So you don't want to go and spam on Reddit, because once you spam, you're going to get roasted and people are not going to see your posts. But you want to go and, let's say, post once per day. Go, for example, search for gaming and find the subreddits in the gaming niche, like the sub reddits. You can see this one has 24.7 million members, and the other one has 1.7 million members. And you can just click on the right here, join, and subscribe to those subreddits and post to people who are interested in the gaming niche. They're going to subscribe to your channel. That's how you're going to be reaching 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours very fast, and you can get monetized with AdSense and make money from these kinds of videos. So that's it for the day. All you need to do is take action.